Long ek onkars is the sound vibration that it's like it's the building blocks of the universe. So you're talking about bringing your heaven to earth, materializing what's in your mind. The long ek on cars are like going to do, you can almost, like, I think about like long ek on cars, like long ek on cars built the pyramids, is like how I feel, like, view long ek on cars. Okay, so you can think about the pyramids as whatever it is that you want to bring forth into your physical experience. Okay, so the long ek on cars put it all together, piece it all together, gives you that power. And it doesn't mean you have to sit and do 62 minutes, 2.5 hours of long ek on cars every day, but it's like, have it as part of like your, have it in your field. Show up on the show up on the power days. Throw in 11 minutes. You know what I mean? It's like, we don't have to make it such this huge insurmountable thing. That's why we've been doing a few, like, we'll do it for 62 minutes versus the 2.5 hours. Cause sometimes the 2.5 hours, you're not even going to show up because you're like, oh, 2.5 hours. But 62 minutes, you're like, I can show up for 62 minutes. And it's just this power. You're like, I could do it for 11 minutes. I could just like sit down and do 11 minutes of long ek cars, 15 minutes of long ek on cars, 31 minutes of long ek on cars. You know what I mean? So it's like, make it just a part of your life. It's not even like this has to be my daily practice and I'm going to check it off my list every day. It's like, no, just long ek on cars are part of my life because I understand what it does and I understand it gives me power. And long ek on cars gives me power because I chanted it this morning. I don't lose power tomorrow because I don't chant it tomorrow. Do we get that? Like, don't think that just because you didn't chant long ek on cars for a couple weeks, you lost the power of the long ek on car. No, every time you chant long ek on car, any mantra, it's permanent. It's a permanent fixture in your every cell. You walk like you're long ek on cars. You move like you are long ek on cars. Any mantra. But it's like you walk, breathe, move, do, think, feel, create as the living embodiment of long ek on car, whether you chanted it today or not, whether you chanted it yesterday or not. We're not even thinking about that. It's just like you make it part of your life and then you're like, no, I chant long ek on cars. I chant long ek on cars. I vibrate. That mantra carries me. That sound carries me. I am the vibration of that sound. I'm not thinking about what day I did it, how many days in a row, what day did I miss. No, it's part of my life. It's part of my being. I am long ek on cars. And any mantra.